Hello everyone, this is Learn Swahili with Connie and welcome. Today we are going to do the Swahili prepositions, compound prepositions. Remember, I have divided the Swahili prepositions into simple and complex or compound prepositions. The simple, we've already done them and they are already in this channel. And now we are going to encounter with the compound prepositions. The simple prepositions had one word and the compound prepositions have more than one word. Something to note, compound prepositions using na are followed by personal pronouns. Example, alienda pamoja na mimi. Or you can say alienda pamoja nami. Na plus mimi to nami. He went together with me. And compound prepositions using kwa or the a of association are followed by a possessive. It must take a y as a prefix. Example, alifika kabla yangu. He arrived before me. So we've talked about personal pronouns. Mimi, sisi, yeye, they are already in this channel. And the possessives, yangu, yake, yetu, already in this channel, so you may check them. Let's start with Badalia, instead of, and mahali pa, instead of or in place of. Example, alisema atakuja pahali pangu or mahali pangu. He said he'll come instead of me or in place of me. Soma kitabu chote badala ya kulalamika. Read the whole book instead of complaining. Niliambiwa nilale badala ya kuzurura. I was told to sleep instead of wandering around. Kuzurura, you can find it sometimes written kuzurura zurura or kuzurura. It's the same thing. Tulikula mhogo mahali pa viazi tamu. We ate cassava instead of sweet potatoes. Or we ate cassava in place of sweet potatoes. So the cassava replaced the sweet potatoes. So the difference between badalaya and mahali pa, as you can see, mahali pa replaces the first option. But badalaya is used as instead of. Simple as that. So the next one we are going to see on kwa ajili ya, for the sake of. And we have pamoja na, together with. Nilisoma hadi chuo kikuu kwa ajili yake. I studied up to college for his sake. Tafadhali nyamaza kwa ajili ya maombi. Please keep quiet for the sake of prayers. Unaeza kufa kwa ajili yangu? Can you die for my sake? Mimi huenda shuleni pamoja na yeye. I usually go to school together with her. Anakula pamoja na nyanya. He is eating together with grandmother. Remember, we said the prepositions which ends with na uses the personal pronouns. Yeye, mimi, wao, those personal pronouns. And those that ends with ya uses the possessives. Yangu, yake, yetu, yao. So don't forget to check the possessives and the personal pronouns in this channel if you don't know much about them. They are already in this channel. Then next, kwa upande wa, on the side of, katikati ya, among, middle of, amidst. Examples, kwa upande wangu, anafaa kuadhibiwa. On my side, he is supposed to be punished. Kwa upande wetu, tunapinga mjadala huu. On our side, we oppose this debate. Kwa upande wetu, fundisha tu. On our side, just teach. Alipita katikati yao. He passed in their midst. Yeye ndio mzuri katikati yenu. He is the nice one among you guys. Adibu, adhibu, punish. Kuadhibu, to punish. Adhibiwa is a passive, be punished. Kwa sababu ya, because of. Aliadhibiwa kwa sababu ya kutokuja shuleni Jumatatu. Aliadhibiwa kwa sababu ya kutokuja shuleni Jumatatu. He was punished because of not coming to school on Monday. Alituadhibu kwa sababu yenu. He punished us because of you guys. Anaenda shuleni kwa sababu ya kusoma. He is going to school because of studying. Mama alilia kwa sababu yangu. Mom cried because of me. So remember the word adhibu. Adhibu. Today you should go with this vocabulary. Adhibu, punish. Kuadhibu, to punish. Kuadhibiwa, to be punished. Then next, kabla ya and baada ya. Before and after or afterwards. Alifika kabla yangu. He arrived before me. Alicheza sana kabla ya kuoga. He played so much before taking a shower. Aliteseka kabla ya kufaulu maishani. He suffered before making it in life. Alifika mkutanoni baada yangu. He arrived at the meeting after me. Remember the word is mkutano, a meeting. Mkutanoni, at the meeting. We have the ni suffix, prepositional suffix. Alioga baada ya kucheza sana. He took a bath after playing so much. Alifaulu maishani baada ya kuteseka. He made it in life after suffering. Maishani also has the ni. Karibu na, near. Mbali na, far from. Example, wanaishi karibu na daraja. They stay near a bridge. Usicheze karibu na moto. Don't play near fire. Kwenu ni karibu na kwetu. Your home is near ours. Wanaishi mbali na daraja. They stay far from the bridge. Cheza mbali na moto. Play far from fire. Kwenu ni mbali na kwetu. Your home is far from ours. So we have mbali na, far from, karibu na, near. Remember, daraja. Daraja is a new vocabulary. Daraja is a bridge. A bridge. Daraja. Daraja. Darajani, at the bridge. Remember the ni. The ni is the suffix, prepositional suffix. Ni. Darajani. 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 Here are the 20 plus prepositions that can help you. Nje ya, ndani ya, sawa na, zaidi ya, chini ya, juu ya, kando ya, miongoni mwa, kando ya, kando na, dhidi ya, ungana na, fauka ya, kinyume na, mbali na, kando na, licha ya, bila kujali, hata hivyo, ingawa, ilimradi, iwapo, Kamakuamba. Sometimes people will say Kanakuamba, but it's Kamakuamba. Hata hivyo, kwa kuwa, kwa maana. So make sure you write those prepositions, they will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please support us by subscribing to this channel, comment, like, and share with your friends. Remember, we make videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thursday videos are for the music, and Tuesday and Saturday videos are the Swahili grammars. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.